Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the next term of the given sequence. And we have given the sequence here: 12, 41, 170, 857, 5150 and 36,059. So we have to find the next term. Here, if we multiply 12 by 3 and add 5 to it, we will get 36 plus 5 means 41. Okay, like that. 41 into 4 plus after 5 if we add 6, so it will be 164 plus 6, so it is 170. Okay, then 3 4 if we multiply 5, then 5 6 if we add 7 here, it is 850 plus 7, we will get 857. Okay, then 857 into 6 plus 8, it will be 5142 plus 8, so it is 5150. Then 5150 into 7 plus 9, it is 36,050 plus 9, so it is 36,059. So to get a next term, we need to multiply by, here we can observe that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so here it will be 8 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so we need to add 10 here. Okay, so it is 288,472 plus 10, so it is 288,482. Hence the sequence be like 12, 41, 170, 857, 5150, 36,059, and the next term be 288,482. So our correct option is option D.